Want to know how to use RingCentral app? In this video, I will guide you on how you can use the RingCentral mobile app. The first thing you want to do is download and install the application. For that, head over to App Store or Play Store, search RingCentral and tap on the install option. Once you have installed it, tap on the open option. Now you first want to log into your account. So if you do not have an account, create one. If you do, enter the credentials and get logged in. Now here at the bottom you have several sections such as messages. From here you can start chatting. You can invite people by email or share invite link over here. Next you have the video option. Here you can simply tap on the start option to start a video call, or you can tap on the join option. Then enter the meeting ID over here and tap on join. You can also connect to your calendar over here. Next you have the option of contacts. Here you will have all of your company contact. Tap on guest and here you will have your guest contacts. Tap on team and from here you can simply start a new team and begin collaborating with colleagues, customers and vendors. Tap on more and here you have several options such as task, events and help. You can also customize your tab from here. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and it will take you to settings. On settings you can manage different options for message, video, notifications, calendars and contacts. You can also change theme. For that, tap on the themes option. Now you can select light or dark from here. You can also manage your privacy and storage from here. Next, if you need any help, you have the help center. You can suggest a feature, rate this app and know about this app. If you want to log out, simply tap on the sign out option from here. And this is basically how you can use the RingCentral app, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.